crypto dip comes in the wake of renewed regulation pledges from worldwide governments, with the Indian government drafting a bill which would prohibit private cryptocurrencies as China reinforces its clampdown on cryptocurrency mining and transactions in the country. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about why is Cardano price crashing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and all the major cryptocurrencies are facing a massive market correction right now. The global crypto market has dipped by 6.62% in the last 24 hours. More than half of that happened within a 15-minute time span. The market-wide crash was reportedly brought on by long-term investors booking their profits after the rally seen in the crypto market last week, something that typically happens after Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the market, hits an all-time high. Not only did Bitcoin cross $67,000 last week, but others like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana also rose on its coattails. However, after the surge of liquidation, all of these cryptocurrencies are trading below their respective critical support levels. Bitcoin below $60,000, Ethereum below $4,000, and Cardano under $2. But before we dive deeper, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now. If you don't, your crypto investment will crash down. Don't want that to happen, right? So just keep on watching. ADA Cardano's utility has grown exponentially in the last 5 months. The growth of this coin is not just about from those who own it, but also through all that have an interest or potential for using DApp, which will make their life easier by allowing access to one cryptocurrency instead of common cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Moving on, the price of Cardano or ADA crashed on Tuesday night, falling from $1.80 to $1.67. The coin lost 7% of its value in a matter of hours, although has since recovered slightly, climbing back to $1.74. Cardano reached its record high of almost $3 back in September. Cardano prices failed to galvanize investors' enthusiasm as it continues to trend lower. However, ADA is expected to be listed on Bitsmap, Europe's biggest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, on November 24th. The digital asset platform announced that deposits and withdrawals would be open on November 23rd, but full trading would commence the day after. With the listing of ADA on Bitstamp, enabling the exchange's user access to Ethereum Killer, the bulls may be incentivized to propel Cardano price higher. Later this week, on November 25th, Input Output, the development team behind the Cardano blockchain, will be hosting the Cardano 360 November edition, where key developments, updates, and news will be announced. The core team behind the protocol, as well as guests across the ecosystem, will share updates on the third-generation blockchain. In addition to the 2 upcoming major events for Cardano, the Ethereum Killer has formed a falling wedge pattern on the daily chart, suggesting a bullish outlook for ADA. The optimistic chart pattern suggests a 35% rally for Cardano price toward $2.90 if it manages to slice above the upper boundary of the technical pattern. Additionally, buying pressure could even see ADA challenge its all-time high at $3.09. However, Cardano price continues to hover around the lower boundary of the falling wedge, which acts as support for ADA at $1.74. The Ethereum Killer must close above this level for a recovery to occur. The first hurdle for Cardano price appears to be at the 200-day Simple Moving Average or SMA at $1.88, and then at November 20th high at $1.95. Additional resistance will emerge at the 21-day SMA at $1.98 and then at the 50-day SMA at $2.07. If Cardano price manages to tag the upper boundary of the falling wedge, coinciding with the November 11th high at $2.14, the bullish target of a 35% ascent toward $2.90 could then be on the radar. Why is Cardano down? The move has come as a shock to ADA investors, as the cryptocurrency has not received as much scrutiny from other cryptocurrencies such as XRP, which has been subject to an SEC lawsuit since 2020. It's believed that the move from eToro comes in the wake of the infrastructure bill's passage into law and the threat posed to cryptocurrencies, which could be deemed securities by the SEC. While the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether function as a form of digital currency designed to be used as an alternative to the British pound, US dollar, or other currencies, crypto assets as securities would be simply digitalized financial assets, and they're subject to more regulation and taxation as a result. According to Coinbase data, the 9% fall in Cardano's price has led to a 95% increase in trading volume, and 68% of this accounting for Coinbase customers buying the dip and increasing their stake in ADA. Meanwhile, the market-wide crash was reportedly brought on by long-term investors booking their profits after their rally seen in the crypto market last week, something that typically happens after Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the market, hits an all-time high. The largest cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin was down 1.6% at $55,980 by mid-session in Asia, its lowest since mid-October and 20th percent below last week's record high. Selling pressure has been quite constant, said Matthew Dibb, Chief Operating Officer at Singapore-based crypto asset manager Stack Funds, who expects it could continue until the token finds support at around $53,000. For the week, Bitcoin has fallen 14%, and through its 50-day moving average, it has gained more than 90% this year. Dibb said there was profit-taking and concern about more selling in the wake of a Tokyo court signing off on plans to repay creditors of Mt. Gox, a crypto exchange which collapsed in 2014 after losing $500 million in Bitcoin. Those affected will receive a large sum of Bitcoin, likely happening in Q1 or Q2 of 2022. This has brought some fear into the market on longer-term horizon, he said, on the expectation that those creditors are likely sellers. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, was steady near a 3-week low at $4,014 on Friday, but set for a 14% weekly loss. Both Ether and Bitcoin also seem to have suffered as the mood in global markets has been cautious over recent days amid concerns about economic growth, interest rates, and inflation. Bitcoin's long-term outlook remains bullish, said Oanda analyst Edward Moya, but the waters over the next few months will be rough as institutional investors look to see if the Fed will be forced to raise rates sooner and trigger a broad-based sell-off of risky assets that include Bitcoin. The massive cryptocurrency crash on Indian exchanges was a result of a Lok Sabha notice summarizing bills to be discussed in the upcoming winter parliamentary session. While the government is yet to reveal the proposed legislation, the Blockchain and Crypto Assets Council of the Internet and Mobile Association of India, which represents key players of the sector, argued in favor of prohibiting the usage of private cryptocurrencies as a currency in India by law, since usage is likely to interfere with monetary policy and fiscal controls. On the other hand, the council has advocated its use as an asset. The council believes that smartly regulated crypto assets business will protect investors, help monitor Indian buyers and sellers, lead to better taxation of the industry, and limit illegal usage of cryptos. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 read that the government was seeking to prohibit private currencies while allowing certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology. This created confusion and unexpected panic sale among investors, leading to temporary crash of several exchange platforms. Cryptocurrency trading continues non-stop on a 24/7 basis across the various exchanges spread all over the planet. While many see this as an advantage with the potential benefits of making profits at the convenience of the active traders, it also comes with the challenges of constantly monitoring price and making timely trades to book profits and cut losses during the odd hours. It's essentially turning out to be a case of frequent sleepless nights and busy weekends for the active crypto traders. Investing in cryptocurrency requires a great deal of patience and risk tolerance. So far, the reward has been absolutely worth it, and given the rise of decentralized finance and more exciting projects in the crypto space, there's every reason to believe that crypto remains a great long-term investment. Will crypto market recover after recent crash or drop will continue? Let's know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.